Welcome to this video. So in this video, I just want to share how you can easily pass your mid-semester exam, okay, for math or your test one that you are also writing. Okay, so according to your timetable, okay, test one for math is scheduled for Wednesday, 10th September 2025. And the coverage for that mid-semester exam, okay, is as follows. So the first topic is algebra. The second topic is exponentials and logarithms. The third one is sequences and series. And then the fifth one is differentiation. Okay, so what can you do in order to pass this mid-semester exam easily? Okay, so the first thing is to revise the quiz one that you wrote this semester. Okay, so that quiz one that was on algebra, exponentials. Okay, you have to revise and know how to solve each and every question in that paper. Okay, and then from there, know how to solve all the questions in the tutorial sheets that you've been given. So far, you have 5 tutorial sheets, okay, based on these topics here. So tutorial sheet 1 is on algebra. We have a tutorial sheet on exponentials and logarithms. We have a tutorial sheet on functions, a tutorial sheet on sequences and series, and a tutorial sheet on differentiation and integration. But for that one, we are only solving the questions that have to do with that differentiation. Okay, so make sure you know how to solve each and every question in the tutorial sheet. Then you'll be good to go. Okay, there will be no question that you have trouble solving once you solve all the questions in the tutorial sheet. Okay, and then from there, you can now go outside. Okay, you get some past papers. Like for example, you can revise this test one for the January intake that they had. Okay, or you can look at the uh, mid-semester exam for the January intake or the past intakes. So make sure you revise, you get some of those questions in those papers, you solve, okay? You just get familiar with the concepts. And then the last thing is to understand your lecture notes. So notice that here I was just saying revise, 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 revise. But on the lecture notes, I'm saying understand. So you have to understand the lecture notes because they are the backbone of whatever will come in your exam. Okay, so those lecture notes that is saying to you, okay, so make sure you get them, you try to assimilate them. So you read to understand. So understand all the concepts in the lecture notes, revise the tutorial sheet, do some past papers, then you'll be good to go. Okay, you'll be home and dry. You'll pass your test one very easily. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share. So for those who need help, okay, with these things, because I know they can be difficult sometimes, okay, we have videos for you where we're explaining all the questions from the tutorial sheets. Okay, so starting from tutorial sheet 1 all the way to tutorial sheet 5, we've solved all the questions, and we also have videos on the quiz 1 that you wrote and the test 1 for last semester. So you can access those on our website, which is discretelearning.com, okay, or our mobile app. So how can you get our mobile app? Okay, just check in the description below. Okay, so there's a link to our mobile app. You can install it, and there's also a link to our website. There's also a link to the video registration guide on how you can subscribe for the courses on our website. Okay, so you can watch that video, subscribe, get the app. On the app, you can even download all the videos for these guys, and you can watch them offline. Okay, so if you happened to subscribe and you go to our website, you'll see something like this. Okay, so when you enroll for a course, you see something like that. So, for example, I'm just giving an example using math, but even if you want, you can register for chemistry, physics, biology, any course that you have difficulties with. So, if we go, for example, in math, okay, you go in this folder written as general mathematics. Okay, so in this folder, you're going to find 4 folders. So there's the one for lessons and tutorials. So here you're going to find lessons on each and every topic, okay, and even supplementary notes that you can read. Here you're going to find handwritten summarized notes, okay, on most topics that you do. And then for the tutorial sheets, for those who need the tutorial sheet videos, you come in this folder. So you open this folder, okay, and then you go to your university, which is a Unilus in this case. Okay, so when you go to Unilus, you go to first semester. Okay, once you open semester, first semester, I mean, okay, you can find the lecture notes here. I also uploaded them, and there's some written solutions to the tutor sheet. You can find them here. But for the videos, you open this one where it's written video solutions. Okay, so once you open this folder, uh, okay, so when you open that folder for video solutions, you have videos for 2025 July intake. We solved all the tutorial sheets. You can also learn using them because the concepts are just the same. Okay, but for you, if you prefer July intake, just come to your intake here, open it. Okay, so and wait for it to load. So you can see tutorial sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've solved all the questions in all these tutorial sheets. Okay, I also solved this assignment. Someone said, just sent me an assignment for you guys. I solved it. You can access the video here. So if, for example, you open tutorial sheet 3, okay, you're going to see that we've solved all the questions. So there are 5 questions in tutorial sheet 3. We've solved question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. Solved all of them. So that's how you can access the tutorial sheets. But if you want the past papers, then you have to go back to this folder, General Mathematics, okay? And then you go to the past quiz, test, and exam papers folder there. Okay, so the setup is the same. So you go to your university, which is Unilus in this case. Okay, then you go to first semester because you're in first semester. Okay, then you go to video solutions. So when you go to the video solutions, you find the quiz 1 that you wrote. Okay, we have a full video on that. The test 1 for last year, even this, the test 2 for last year. Later on, when you be preparing for test 2, you also still find them. You also find the quiz 2 that we shall solve. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys who are preparing for the mid-semester exams. Okay, otherwise, I wish you all the best. Okay. Just follow what I've said, and then you see that you are going to pass your mid-semester exam. Okay, don't be afraid. You got this. Okay, so this has been Tutor Poul Solutions. Until next time, if you need anything, contact me using the number in the description. Okay, so thank you so much and all the best.